Welcome back to the Biotechnology lecture series. This is the 5th lecture on the environmental biotechnology. In this lecture, we will cover aerobes and effluents with their characteristics, and at the end, we will discuss some research questions. Aerobes are microorganisms that require oxygen to survive, grow, and carry out their metabolic processes. They are commonly found in environments where oxygen is available, such as the Earth's atmosphere, soil, water bodies, and the human digestive tract. Aerobes use oxygen as a final electron acceptor during cellular respiration, which is the process that generates energy for their activities. There are some characteristics of aerobes, which are oxygen requirement, metabolic pathways, enzymes, and oxygen utilization. Examples of aerobes and health implications. Aerobes are quite particular about their oxygen needs. Oxygen is their lifeline, vital for survival and optimal functioning. These microorganisms utilize oxygen in their metabolic pathways to generate energy through a process known as aerobic respiration. Now, let's talk about how aerobes obtain that much needed energy. Aerobic respiration is their go-to method. In this process, aerobes break down organic compounds, such as glucose, into carbon dioxide, water, and a valuable form of energy called adenosine triphosphate, ATP. It's like their power plant. To efficiently harness oxygen's power, aerobes are equipped with special enzymes. These enzymes are like the machinery that helps them make the most out of oxygen, aiding in energy production and other crucial metabolic processes. Now, let's put a face to these aerobes. You might encounter them in various forms in your microbiological adventures. Common examples of aerobes include bacteria like Pseudomonas aeruginosa, certain types of fungi, and some protozoa. They're like the diverse cast of characters in our microbial drama. Are the real-world applications of these aerobes? They play a vital role in our ecosystem. Aerobic bacteria are the unsung heroes of decomposition, breaking down organic matter and contributing to processes like sewage treatment. Moreover, their benefits extend to medical applications, aiding wound healing and even as probiotics for our gut health. Effluents refer to liquid or gaseous waste products discharged from industrial, agricultural, or domestic sources into the environment. These waste materials can potentially contain harmful substances and pollutants that may adversely affect the environment, human health, and aquatic life if not properly treated and managed. The characteristics of effluents includes composition, potential harm, treatment and management, environmental regulations, and sustainable practices. Effluents are not all the same. They vary in composition, depending on where they come from. These liquid or gaseous waste products can contain a wide range of pollutants, including chemicals, heavy metals, organic compounds, nutrients, and even harmful pathogens. Now pay close attention. Untreated or improperly treated effluents can cause significant harm. When they find their way into water bodies, they can contaminate them. This contamination harms aquatic ecosystems, reduces water quality, and presents health risks to both humans and animals. So, what can we do about this? Proper treatment of effluents is absolutely essential. We need to remove or reduce those harmful substances before releasing them into the environment. Treatment methods are our tools. These methods can include physical, chemical, and biological processes, all designed to neutralize or remove those pesky pollutants. Our governments and environmental agencies have a vital role to play. They have put regulations in place to keep a close eye on the discharge of effluents. The aim? Minimizing the environmental impact and, equally important, protecting public health. Lastly, let's discuss sustainability. It's not just a buzzword. It's a necessity. We should recycle, reuse, and minimize waste generation. By doing this, we reduce the volume and impact of effluents on our environment, making it a better place for all of us. Understanding aerobes and effluents is vital for managing environmental health, waste management, and promoting sustainable practices to safeguard our ecosystem and well-being. Here are some research questions related to the topic. Number 1. How do varying environmental conditions affect the growth and metabolic activity of aerobic microorganisms in different ecosystems? Number 2. What are the most effective and sustainable methods for treating industrial effluents to minimize environmental pollution and protect aquatic ecosystems? Number 3. How do specific types of pollutants in effluents impact the health of both aquatic life and human populations residing in areas with contaminated water sources? Number 4. What are the key enzymes and metabolic pathways utilized by aerobic bacteria in the degradation of organic pollutants commonly found in effluents, and how can this knowledge be leveraged for efficient bioremediation? And number 5, in what ways can advancements in biotechnology and genetic engineering be applied to enhance the capacity of aerobic microorganisms for breaking down complex pollutants in industrial effluents, with a focus on sustainable and eco-friendly solutions? That's all from the 5th lecture. See you in the next video for lecture number 6.